was a very nice today on the 7th of July 2023, and we have Pöytäalhontie, 99 stackers A here, Pöytäalhontie B and C, hopefully soon. Also we have Järvenpää, Schindler, in Finland with 4 floors. And it was built in 1990, it are 30 years old in 2020. And the serial number is 442180, and the capacity is 4 birds at 305 grams. So just want to try the bell. It's beautiful. It's going to be inspected this year in 2023, and this has 2 rides. Traction problem. I like the sounds on this band in here.
Yes, same.
Some beats are here.
Niin tippaakin vain. Maintained by Schindler.
Well, I heard you were almost going to say maintained by Connie from Bush.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching.
That's